Alright everyone, hi. So I received my parcel all the way back from India and I'm so excited to open it. I just came from my college. Let's see which side I should open it from. I guess it's very nicely packed. No. Here's my scissor. And let's give it a try. Okay. Do not. Okay. It's so fun. Okay, sorry for the noise, guys. Let's see. Okay, so whosoever did the packing, they did a great job, a really, really great job. I think it's other way around. Okay, yeah, this is the opening line. There you go. There you go. I'm ready for it. I have a lot of emotions actually. Like, a lot of emotions going around. Like, oh my god. This is my favorite bed sheet. Oh my god. This is my favorite bed sheet. Like, oh my god. I have so many. Oh. This is my bed sheet. I really love this bed sheet. Time for snacks. Little snacks. 1, 2, 1. Bit crushed, but it's fine. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is a chopper. My mom sent for me. So I can be a good chef. It's like, you know, you put all the things inside that and you just chop it down. Okay. These are gifts. I should be, it's fine. So these are the gifts from my friends. This is something famous in India that is called as chicken curry. Like, this is like the shots for my friends. More snacks. Okay. There's a box. Let's see what's inside this one. Oh my god, this is homemade. This is homemade. Oh my god. This is homemade sauce. The chutney we call it. My sister. She sent me this. My god, it is made of raisins. Look. And the dandelions. Wow. I have one more. This is so cool. This is also like you fold it and put it in your neck. I got a nail cutter. Yes, it's been like more than 1 year and I don't have a nail cutter. Please don't judge me, okay? It's a tiffin box and with a lot of stuff. Some of the Q-tips as well. Okay. Laddu! We got laddu, besan ke laddu. Oh my god, I miss home. Look, this is my PJs. Look at the prints. I love this. More stuff, more stuff. Okay, okay. Where's the scissor? Where's the scissor? I know what is it. Oh my god. I want to try some. Sorry. I miss home. Oh, I can control if I started eating. Oh, more snacks. Oh, they sent me candies. Ah! Oh, I have some combs as well. Aloo bhujia, that's a must. Lot of clothes. Whosoever are my friends, they know like I love clothes. I can smell my mom, you know. She washed all of these, so you all might be thinking, you know, why I ordered so many clothes from India, because like there are some really good homegrown brands in India that I couldn't find. Like I did a lot of shopping here in Canada as well, but at the same time I feel that there are really good homegrown brands. For example, this is the Salt Store. Salt Store, it's the one of the best brand. Although like I'm not getting paid or anything by them, I still love that brand. It's amazing. Holy moly, this is my denim shirt. Goodness. It's like, I don't want to open it. It's like, you know, half sleeves. What I was thinking, you know, to get old arm tattoos, like, you know, the temporary one, my mom won't let me get the and then I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna show you that as well. A shirt from Tom and Jerry. It's a Tom and Jerry shirt. It's really nice. It's also from Salt Store. Oh, it's a gift. It's a gift as well for my friend. I have to send it to States. One more t-shirt. I love the color of this one. Look at the color. This is from Myntra. Oh, this shirt. This shirt. Look at the gradient. Oh. This is a letter. Oh my god. My sister wrote this letter. No, I'm not gonna read it here. You know, I love letters. More sure this is bad for the summers. Summers are here in Canada. Okay, so this brand, Mr. Bowerbud, it's one of the really nice brand. Like you can find these on Myntra. Those who are in India, so like they can buy it from Myntra. Like this is the one of like you can find the knit thingy, you know. Some more. Yeah, I love to wear all these bright colors. We have more. Some more. Bit more. Oh, this is a really nice one. I love the color of this one. Some more. One more. And the last, this one. Oh my god. You know, all the people like who are international students and who are living like who are immigrants, they know the feeling of getting like these things from all the countries, like from their home countries. This is a great feeling. What to say, like I don't have words. I don't know, like the video I have recorded, like I just started it, like if I'm audible enough or not to everyone, I will just upload it. But yeah, I love it. Like it feels so good to receive all these things from your parents. Oh my god. But yeah, I will dive into eating all these snacks. Thank you for watching though. Please subscribe and share. One day this channel gonna boom. I'm gonna be famous. Let's see ya. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. And subscribe, okay?